say I'm like a traditional style blacksmith because I'm not. I'm most certainly a post-industrial 21st century blacksmith. When you heat the steel or the iron, it's incredibly plastic, and so you can get so much deformation and so many options to achieve different shapes.
This is a finished Rachel David.
Yeah, it's a sunflower lamp. All of these techniques and all of these options are just like such exciting tools in the toolbox to make crazy stuff. My mom's a potter, and so I grew up around pottery, and you could do whatever with clay. So now I figure, oh well, I can do whatever I could do with clay, with steel. This is science. It's so cool. It's just like, oh, it's so cool. There's so much science behind all of this work, but there's also an aspect where it is just caveman work, where you're just like beating something with a weight on the end of a stick. And iron is an ore that is, it comes from the center of the earth and outer space, and it's in our blood. It's just like,